Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode. What? Leetcode Weekly Contest 361. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. And you can, this is my live recording of the contest, so you could see where I'm making all the silly mistake this time. 30 seconds to go. Each problem will have its own explanation video or live video and stuff like that, so check that out. What am I working on? I don't know. It's kind of getting better. People around me have been getting so good, and I feel like I've been getting worse by staying still, kind of thing. But well, it's okay. It's not a big deal for me. So yeah, 9 seconds to go. Let's go. Good luck if you, I don't know, watching at home. I don't know. Whatever. Wish me good luck then. Let's go. Wait, what? Oh. Last ended. Okay. 'This is so sloppy. Nine and 4. Let's just print it out real quick because it's easy to make a mistake. Okay, that makes sense. That also looks good, so yeah. Number of odd digits are never symmetric. Okay, yeah, okay. Fudge. Yeah. They got me without the odd number stuff. I knew I needed to do it, but then I just forgot. Q1. Well, off to a good start. Let's at least finish strong. I didn't even read the poem. Okay. What's a special? Oh, divide by 25. Why am I so slow? 2, 3, 1. Okay. Oh, silly Larry. Silly mistake on keyboard. Count the number of subarrays that are interesting. Number of indexes I such that nums of I modulo 0k. Then number okay. This is kind of hard to understand, but okay. Count is equal to 1 and 1 mod 2 is going. Why would you use the modulo in 2 ways like this? It's so confusing to understand. Okay, fine. Let's see. Subarrays 10 to the 5th. Okay. It's just such a weird kind of. Okay, what does that look like? So that's just 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Will that now work? So basically now are we supposed to return the model? No, just fine. For x and prefix. Is that true? No, I don't think that's technically. I think maybe that's technically true. Maybe I'm off by 1. I don't know. What is count? What am I doing? No, what am I doing? Why did I confuse myself? Alright, x. So then now, so this is a sum. X modulo is what we want. Oh no. We want x modulo 0k. Alright, wait, what does that mean? This is a little bit awkward. But okay. Basically, so that means if that means we want 1 and so then now we want x modulo. We don't necessarily, what do we want? let's see. Yeah, this is so hard to visualize for me. 1 1 2 0 1 1 2 for the first one. So then now if the subarrays start, we go 1. Okay, so we got 1. So then now we want 1. So then that's 1. Okay. We still want 1. Okay. And then 2. Oh, I messed this up, so I guess that's true. Still 1. Okay. I guess that's fine. So 1, 2, right? And on the next one we have 1, 1, 2, 3. So then now we want this is so easy to make off by 1, I think. I mean, I think my idea is right. It's just so hard to do it correctly. Okay. So we have this thing. So let's say this is 1 and we're looking for 1. We need to get k in here somehow. So it's x minus k, I think. Right, so. And then f, what is this? And then f of x. Something like this. But clearly this is wrong. Maybe I don't do this. Is that true? But I mean, this is right, but I don't know that this is just lucky. It's very easy to mess up here. Oh, x included 0 for whatever reason, that's why. But, well, this will always be 0, so that's fine. Is this right? I think this is just lucky. Am I going to eat 5 minutes, or should I just... I already have a penalty. 21, is that right? And that's just... This part is the sketchy part. I don't know that that's right. Let's give it a minute. I'm not confident at all, to be honest. Okay, well, I guess I don't need to be that confident, but I was really worried about it. Okay, let's move on. All right. So you're given a tree. Want to make the weight of every tree equal in one operation and change its weight to any value. Queries are independent, okay? Path from is a distinct node from A sub I and ending with B sub I such that okay, I know what a path is. So is it just the number of distinct weights, or can there be anything else? It's a tree, so there's only one path, right? So okay, so we have this tree, we have 0, 3, so 3 is 0, okay. 3, 6 is also 0, 2, 6. Okay, I see what it's... I mean, I think that's right, but I'm so confused. Oh, wait. Oh no. Oh, it is not the number of distinct values. It's the value of the most common thing. Huh. On that path. Just don't tell me it's binary lifting type thing. That would be annoying to do. I think there is a solution like that, but if I didn't have such a silly Q1, I actually would have a pretty decent time. I mean, I would have been 17th or something, which is pretty good. Oh, good job, Chi-Chi. I focus. Stop looking at that. Here, okay, so we have 4 and 6. 4 to 6. Just 1, okay. 0 to 4. You have 2, okay. 6 to 5. So you have to find the most common number in the path, which I think you can do with binary lifting, but I don't know how to do it that way, to be honest, that easily. I'm not that good about it. This is a big one that it's kind of hidden. It's only 26 different things, so you can store as a bit thing. Can you? Well, it's not the number of unique things. It is just the maximum thing, and then it's just like shortest path in a tree. I think it is binary lifting, but I don't know how to do it quite well, to be frank. Don't know how to implement it. I mean, we have an hour and a half or an hour and 15 minutes. Which makes it possible, but how did I mean, I've done it before, so or is it the root thing? The root deletion. Path to the root. And just minus the LCA, right? I guess this is time to learn binary lifting again. It's been a while. I feel I've done it from scratch before, but I feel like the last time I did it, I took a long time. I'm using CP algorithms, in case you're wondering. All right, let's just create a list. So, okay, and then now we have to actually do the thing. Do the thing. They do not make it easy, but okay. I'm just copying and pasting this code, to be honest. Up. Maybe. Alright, so this is a whatever. N times L. Yeah, okay. Actually, I think the last time I did this, I actually did it from proof from scratch, but I didn't do it quite this way. So maybe it's a good time to learn anyway. But I think I wrote a lot of code last time, but this one I can do. Oh, watch this, the easier solution. Anyone got it yet? 6, 7 people got it, so yeah. Ooh, congrats. Alright, stop congratulating people, Larry. Focus. This is where also if I have 2 screens, this would be nice. I should have just used chat GPT, chat whatever, to do it for me. But okay. Make sure it doesn't crash yet. Time. What is that part? This not topple. Time 10. Wait, what? Tell me why. This is why we check these, I guess. But man, people are already done, and I'm just like googling. This indexes must be integers or whatever. What? What? Why am I so bad at this? Is 10 Okay, that looks good. So what's wrong? Tell me why. Oh, because there's a weight on this. All right. Okay, so that's good. We need to maybe process this, but not yet, I think. I'll do that later. Okay, so oh yeah, that's why it's been so long, but I think now this is beginning to come back to me. And by that I still mean I'm still gonna copy some code on the internet or rewrite them in C++, in Python. Otherwise, L. This makes sense. I forgot about this part actually. Tell me why. Okay, so then now that's fine, right? Okay, one real quick. And then now what do we want? So let's say now we have to binary lifting code. And let's pretend it's correct. So what do we do for query? So now we haven't pre-processed this in a good way, or not sufficiently. What do we want to pre-process? Put a dictionary on each one, right? 26. the weight sub I is less 1 to 26. So we can put a dictionary on all 10 to the 4 items. It seems like a lot, but it is what it is. Yeah. How do we make a copy of things? I forget. No, just do it this way, yes. Okay, and then now we want to say okay, current of oh, it's the weight on this. Weight is not on the node, it's on the edge. That's why. Okay, yeah. So then now here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so current. Okay. Lookup of v is the current, but a copy of it. Python deep copy dictionary. Should be at most 26 objects anyway. I forget. Copy.deep copy. Yeah, whatever. No, this is still faster, I think. Okay, fine. Copy.deep copy, is it? Alright. Alright, let's see if this works real quick. Or it gives me an error. Okay, so it kind of works. Wait. Okay. Oh, this is not a default dict. No, this one is fine. This one has to be default dict. No, default counter. Okay, and then let's print out lookup real quick. Okay, this looks maybe Gucci, right? I don't know if this is true. We'll have to look for it. Okay, we're almost done. Conceptually, maybe it won't pass. For UV inquiries. Okay, so then now, now is equal UL is equal to lookup of U, UV is equal to lookup of V. So we basically sum these two. Oh, and then here, and so can I just do this? I don't really even know. What's it? Ancestor is equal to lookup of, not this, LCA of UV, and then lookup of ancestor is equal to UA is equal to this, right? And then let's see if that works. I'm trying to learn Python while doing this is kind of fun. Alright, so that looks good. Just do I want to is this right? I think that's right. Okay, so then now we want to do max of UA. Oh, no. So then now total is equal to this, and then total dot values max. I mean, this is a little bit sloppy, but it'll have to do. And it's only 26 values. If we have to optimize, we have to optimize. I gotta stop talking and just do it. So that's the number of thing. But then now we have to get the number of edges, right? The path. How do I get the path? Oh, I guess I just do distance. And then just distance of v is equal to d. No, that's fine. I guess I think that's it. And so now it's distance of u plus distance of v minus distance of the ancestor minus this, because that's the number of, maybe it's off by 1 though, but that's fine. This is way wrong though. Okay, is this at least right somewhat? Is this part right? Let's see. Oh, whoops. I thought this was a print. Okay, so this is... I mean, this part is going to be right. So then now the distance is the part that I have to figure out. So uv, and then the distance. I thought it was going to be this plus v minus distance of ancestor. Is that not true? So 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I mean, I know that I'm off by 1, but wait, is that true? U and v is 0 to 3. That's a little bit off, isn't it? Oh no, this is right. This is right. It's 4 nodes, 3 distance. Okay. And then this is where I need 2 screens. 3 to 6. 3 to 6 is also, ooh, what is this? Oh, 3 to 6. But what is this? Distance of, so that's 6 distance. Oh, this is wrong then. Oh, it's 2 times that, because it's overlapping. So then, yeah, okay, that makes sense. I'm really bad at stuff. Okay, got the first one right. Not so much on this one. Why is that? 4 and 6. What's 4 and 6? 2, 3, 4. So that should be. Why am I getting -2? -2 is pretty wrong, but at least we got one example right, which is always nice. Um, 4 and 6 is -2. Okay, we see that. I see ya. I don't get ya. Okay, so you have 2 and 1. 4 to 6, is that true? 4 to 6. No, second query. 0 to 4. 0 to 4. No, so okay, so this part is right. I'm not getting the path part wrong, right? 0. Why? Tell me why. Uh, 4 to, so okay. No, 0 and 4. So 0 is 4. The common answer is 4. So the distance is 4. Is that true? From 0 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's true. And then the max is, oh, the max is wrong. Though it shouldn't be -2. How do I get -2 from this? So 4, this is 2. So 4 minus, so it's 4 minus 2. So why is this? Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong one. The 4, 6 is the wrong one. Whoops. Even though everything else is right. What is 4 and 6? 4 and 6. So 0. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2. So that's 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 should be 1. Right? Is that the right answer? Yeah. So what am I doing? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think, did I reuse D anywhere? Silly Larry. We have an hour. I feel like I'm going to get it, but it's still very sloppy. 4 and 6, so 4 and 6, so that's 6. And then the overlap. Four and 6, and then the ancestor is. So then just what is the ancestor? Ancestor is 2, 4 and 6. The ancestor is 2 is not right. Okay, so I mean, it's good that we figured that out. Did I probably messed up something here then, LCA. Oh, whoops. Easy typo to make. But this is what happens when you don't have a deep understanding and you try to copy people's code. Alright. Oof. Still with a silly mistake. I didn't really look at constraints, that's all. What's max? Oh, max.values. What does this mean? Oh, because basically this is an empty set. Okay, fine. If length of if. When are we supposed to return if the query is the same? I should have done that though. On the minimum. So okay, so it's 0 if they're the same. Okay, fine. If u is equal to re. Man, a lot of edge cases this particular day. Got binned by 2 edge cases already. Come on, YOLO. Come on, please. Don't time out either. That would be really sad. I mean, it's not a timeout. But this is okay. I mean, now I'm not so sure what's going on, right? But yeah, I have to now do some drawing with Notepad. How are people doing in this anyway? A lot of people should got it. I mean, I think it's just binary lifting stuff. Alright. 1, 3, 3, 4, 1, 3, 0, 3, 5, 5, 4, 2, 2, 5, 1. Alright, so that's my graph. And it's just a straight line, so why did I get negatives? 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is clearly wrong. I mean, a lot of things are wrong. That's luckily I didn't remove my print statement, so that's good. In a way. 5 and 2. What is this for? Now the distance. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's true. And 2 is 5 away. That's also true. The ancestor times 2. Yeah, I mean, that's also true. So that's not just because there's only one edge. But then why is this? Okay, so the counterpart is wrong then. Did I mess something up? I thought that part was pretty tight, to be honest, but clearly not. Okay, so 5-2, right? 2-5? Oh no, 5-2. So we have this thing. What am I? That's the total. Okay, we can remove this or move it to the end. Even when I know how to do it, I don't know how to do it. All right. So what am I looking at? So it's this plus this minus this. Oh, this is definitely wrong. What am I doing wrong? So you have this, you have that. Oh, it's 2 times this again. It's the same mistake, but on the other thing. It should be 2 times this. I don't think that's the right syntax though. But okay. Oh, then I can just minus this twice. Okay. Is that the right answer? That is the expected answer. And I am really bad at this today. Alright, let's go. No wrong, no TLE, or wrong answer, I guess. Neither, please. I don't want to rewrite this in C++ or something. I also don't want to rewrite this in Python. Oh no. This seems, how do I have... I mean, this is me learning, so I think the wrong answers are okay. But still, it's just time consuming is all. 7-5 is 4, 0-5 is 3, 6-7 is 5, 3-0 is 3, 2 and 6 is 3, 4 and 2 is 4, 1 and 4 is 3. What? This is just another, like, it's not even an interesting graph. What am I getting wrong on? Let's print it out real quick again. Lucky I already have everything set up. This is the 5th query, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. What's 4, 3? 4 and 3 should just be... Isn't 4 connected to 3? No, it's not. I looked at it. Okay, so it's on the other side. Okay, 4-3. 3-4 is not the same as 4-3, so that actually is a bad smell. Wait, what? Well, yeah, what? Huh. That means probably my LCA is wrong then? Did I just like still mess this up? Okay, what is the ancestor? Okay, 4-3's ancestor, 3-4's ancestor is 0, which it should be. 4-3's ancestor is 5. Am I having an off by 1 moment? I mean, I'm clearly having some off by 1 issues, but... And it... I mean, I could fix it for this problem, or with this input, but I don't think that helps. Do I have any typos? Huh. Sad face, Larry. 4-3. So 4. Why? Or is either this as well, maybe? Do. DFS? No, DFS is pretty straightforward, to be frank. Though that doesn't mean it's not wrong. I made a lot of silly things with wrong things before. Why? I mean, I have to debug this, but man, that's still sad though. So, we would 3, 4. So let's see. Let's. Right. Just curious. Okay, so it does give me an assertion error. And only this late actually, so that's actually interesting. So it doesn't happen in any other example so far. Why is that? I think if I just ask ChatGPT to help me resolve this, this would have actually been cleaner. Because now I'm just trying to figure out if I'm having some silly typo somewhere. Okay. Wait, which one is the one that we're getting wrong on? 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3. Well, so 4, 3, 4 goes to 4, which is fine. Oh, well, is 4 going to 4 fine? Where's my code? Oh yeah. This is the biggest one. No, why? Why is it doing this? Am I off by 1 on the L? I need this to be L. Oh, I do need this to be L plus 1. What am I doing? Line 17. Oh, because it's returning none. I think this has to, because we go up to L. Oh no, this is in. I'm just confusing myself now. Possibly, maybe. How many? What is N on this one? Well, now it's right. 4, yeah. 2, 3, 1, 2. No, this. Oh yeah, no. This is right now. Okay. I just got lazy on this. I think this is. What is it? Oh, there's 8 nodes. Oh no, there's 7 nodes. I don't know. I don't know why we're singing off by 1. Maybe I'm just really bad. Oh, this. I am actually. Now I get it. I just got lazy on that one. I didn't copy that code and I wrote it myself. Where's my print statement that I left somewhere? The debug, is it? Okay. Alright, let's go. Double check. Alright, let's go. Come on, please. I've been suffering enough. Oh no, it's gonna. If it's TWs now. Didn't I already solve this? I mean, this is a very detailed error message, to be honest. I don't deserve this. But I guess I should run it this way, but basically, how could this be true if... To be honest, I don't know how this could be true, but if I think there's a default value, right? I should have just used that though, but still. Please. I've suffered so much. There's like 4 wrong answers, is it? And then now it's 5. I mean, this is even worse, but because now I finally ran out of test cases to they stopped giving me test cases. 5 wrong answers. Where else could I be wrong? If we have 8, is this part right? Oh yeah. I don't even know anymore. Basically debugging the entire part. I mean, I can. I want to add an assertion, but that's just gonna. I mean, I might save this for later. Is there any possible things? I don't know how I messed this twice, but I guess it just didn't come. Oh, I didn't really think about it. Well, I mean, I checked this math, but I didn't check the double thing math. I think that's the hard part. To be honest, I'm very surprised. I mean, I knew that there were minor silly things. I don't even know how this is possible, so maybe if I understood how this is possible, it would be helpful. Yeah, I know what the thing is, I just don't know the input. How can total dot values be empty if they're not the same node? I mean, now this isn't necessary, I guess, but and they're really pushing this binary lifting stuff. How can this be empty if they're not the same? Maybe that's the better question. I guess Leetcode ran out of good actual interview questions, so they're making up random stuff, but now I'm being sour. I'm being salty. How can this be thing though? What if n is equal to 1? What if we have one node? I think that was an input already though, that we tested on. Yeah, I think that's this. And I already got a wrong answer for it. Let's not have this, but what? Oh, I didn't put it. Whoops. Let me try to find that case. I think that case is maybe the more interesting part. Well, I mean, I don't know. How can this be the case? How is this the case when u is not equal to v? Did I mess something up? I'm so far behind. I mean, this should have been done. I'm debugging something silly, but I don't know what this silly thing is. We only have half an hour left. I just don't even have a direction. I think that's the... Like, how can this return... This can only be true when they're the same node, right? I don't even know how. Am I missing? Is this... There's a connected graph, right? Yeah. How? They don't give you the running time, I don't remember. Yeah, I don't do... I don't... I mean, that is a smell. I don't know how it can happen. If the answer to that... No, that doesn't make sense. Tell me why. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. Is it always 0 when they... Yeah, it is. You don't edit anything. I am stumped because I don't even have a way to debug this. Unless this is wrong? I don't think so. That's the worst part is I got the algo, just not the solution. If I didn't know, I didn't know. And I don't even know how to debug this because there's no overflows, there's no... UV is a terrible word. I think I confused myself. It should have been VL. But still. Oh well, I don't know why my naming variables are bad. That doesn't change anything though. How can this be wrong? How can this be wrong? Or like, I still don't know how this can be thing though. That's the tricky thing. I mean, at a certain point, I think I just need to eat a wrong answer and see if I could figure something out. Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be wrong because of this thing, but I want to see if this fails first. Yeah, okay, so that's good. Because now it means that our LCA is still a little bit wrong. Okay, that's good, that's good. At least we have an idea. Alright, let's just... is that better? I mean, this gives me the same thing. I should have just done it that way. I don't know why I kind of try to be fancy. Alright, YOLO. That's the only way that this was wrong. That's why I... okay, so this is still wrong. I don't... What am I doing? What am I doing? How is this? I mean, I'm just... This part is just copy and paste. So... clearly I did something wrong though. Let's see. No, that looks right. Yeah, that looks right. The depth of search looks right. Its ancestor is probably right. Yeah, I mean, I looked, it's only one line. And then LCA is the part that I guess I've been struggling. This is not... I mean, this is so short. How can it... Did I mess up anything? Anything? How? Okay, I mean... Okay, guess my OCA is just wrong. Plus 1%. I must have a typo somewhere that I'm not spotting. This is probably, this looks right. So what am I doing here? Oops, what did I do? How can this be wrong? Tell me why. Did I mess up U and V? That'll be funny if I just had the order of operations wrong bit. I don't get previous. This as a previous is a little bit wonky, I think. Maybe not, I don't know. Does that change anything? Oh no, okay, fine. Maybe not then. Maybe this is fine. Moving on. It's a little awkward that the previous of 0 is 0. Okay, I guess maybe that's fine. I mean, the algo is right, but the LCA is wrong. I just don't know how to do it, clearly. I mean, this is so close. All right. I lost my window. Okay. I mean, even when I know, I don't know. Maybe I did it. I mean, it's free. Let's try it. Yeah, I don't know why my OCA is so bad. Wait. I don't know how to fix this at all. I mean, everything looks basically the same. I'm obviously missing something silly, but is it even helpful to convert this into C++? I don't even know. I don't know that it is, to be honest. Is there a dumber way? Is there not a non-DP way? It's not going to. I have like 8 wrong answers anyway, so this is. Even if I get it, I don't even move up that much. Still want to get it though. Am I off by one somewhere? I must be, but that'd be funny if the code that I'm looking at is wrong. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I'm not even giving up. I just don't even know how to proceed. Because the algo is right. Maybe slow on Python, but it's right. But I mean, this part is wrong means that there's something just fundamentally wrong about my LCA. Ooh, oh no. Oh man, I lost all my test cases. I accidentally closed the window. I mean, I don't know, it's fine. I don't know how, got lucky I guess. What was I doing? This is what happens when you look at someone else's code. But I mean, at this point, I kind of know everything. Wait, am I just off by one? This is right. No, that doesn't make sense, though, to be honest. It's actually saying it's the root. At worst, it would just go to the root. I just don't know how to code. Larry doesn't know how to program, and this is what happens. Do I have some weird typo somewhere? That would also be funny, but okay. I thought that should have been good. I mean, there's really not much to do anymore on this one. Like, when this is wrong, what happens? Why? Tell me why? Let's try a star graph or something. No, I guess that's it actually. Yeah, I mean, it didn't give me any error. What about a star graph that isn't there? I don't know where. I mean, it must be. I don't know how to fix this. I've just been staring at this for like an hour. I'm so happy, so confident about this too. I know how to solve it, but I need to figure out what the bug is. That should be right in C++. Maybe I can figure it out that way. And C? No. It's actually kind of bad code. Actually, it's kind of really bad code, but let's see. Okay. Let's see, where the edge is at. Edge is where you at. Adjacency. Okay, fine. This is going from. I like it. Map of. I mean, I run out of things to do, that's why. Very sad. Let's see if this actually this doesn't compile, but okay, that makes sense. I wasn't doing that yet. Let's see, what am I doing? So this is a pair, so okay. TFS of U. Okay, well, that's not great. This should do nothing. I was hoping it would do nothing, but I was wrong. Oh, process of 0. Yeah, whoops. Okay, so this is good. We made some progress. We have 10 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to get this done. Okay. We have to add to the pre-processing the stuff that we already did. So we have to have a distance lookup. And we have to have a, what's the other thing? Oh, the map lookup. Okay. And then I think it makes a copy every time, but I don't know that that's true. Okay, so what am I doing? So let's do a distance and a lookup. Let's go current. Yeah. And then set lookup of v is equal to current. I think that's a copy. If I'm wrong, then I don't know. What else am I losing at this point? So sad, so sad. I guess I don't need to write it that way. Okay, that makes sense. So then now we want to be 0 and just a regular okay. And then now u is equal to the herd. Right, and then ancestor is equal to was it LCA right? And then now total or distance d is equal to distance of u plus distance of v minus distance of a, right? And then now the max thing. So then now we have let's just do a loop from 1 to 26, right? Let's see, we have u lookup is equal to lookup of u v and okay. See if make sure that compiles. It doesn't. Queue that first. Is that not a query? It's not a pair, even though it probably should be, but that's besides the point. Okay. Does it compile? Okay, Gucci. Yeah. Guess we don't need now actually, to be honest. So then now okay, max is equal to 0. So then max is equal to max of the max of lookup of ul sub I plus vl sub I minus al sub I times 2. And then max d minus max, right? Okay, this looks roughly right. Let's give it submit. I mean, it may be wrong again still, who knows? I don't know. Time limit exceeded. That's actually surprising. Really? Maybe I just have some issue. That's actually surprising. I didn't expect it to be time. I don't doubt there's some really silly way of doing this that I'm just missing. Time limit exceeded, huh? Huh. Dun dun dun. Well, this could be a vector of int. Fine. Let's try that. Lookup. Lookup is current. Should be an. I don't know how to do stuff anymore. We have 5 minutes from. Okay, what line? Oh, right. I'm doing a copy here, and I think I shouldn't. Okay. Let's actually, instead of doing a copy, I think that. I mean, it's not premature optimization anymore when you're running into TRE. Okay. Let's give it submit. It's hard to tell, just like an infinite loop somewhere. Alright, well, I don't know what happened with the Python solution, to be honest. I had this entire way, I mean, I had a lot of wrong answers, but I did have it, so I'm glad that I was able to figure it out, but I don't know what happened with my thing, to be honest. I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, like, I got this like an hour ago. I mean, you know, like, I got this probably within like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or something like this. But the Python was just a little bit, there's something weirdly off. Okay. You just I just man, I'm just chatting on my Discord. I don't know what happened. The videos will be late, I suppose. Yeah, I mean, I don't think this is a hard part. That's the sad thing, right? Is that I knew it the entire way. It's just, yeah. Like, I don't think my rank changes, is what I was saying in the Discord, because with 9 wrong answers, and with the first, you know, Q3 fast, like, I'm not jumping over that many people. But yeah, I don't get it. There's something wrong with my Python solution. I have to debug it afterwards. Really? What is Q3? Someone in my Discord said Q3 is not. Oh, huh. That could be a tricky one. I don't know why my Python is bad. I don't know. Wait, what? That's but I mean, I think a lot of people also would just practice Q4 recently. If you, of course, because binary lifting has been in a couple of problems lately. So, but yeah, it's either that or there's a similar solution. I think there's a similar solution with n is equal to 26. No, you still need binary lifting to get the LCA, but I think, yeah, I think you could have done it with, instead of the way I did it with all these maps and stuff. You could have done it. You could have just done 26 depth first search. I think maybe that's what I should have done. But that doesn't change anything, to be honest. Because when I couldn't debug the LCA, like, it doesn't matter what the rest of your code was when your LCA as well. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Yeah. Yikes. Oh, it did go up actually, so I was well. But yeah, let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.